We're in West Wilmette on Beverly Drive, and we're about to take a modest look at the teardown phenomenon in West Wilmette. The home you're looking at here is not a complete teardown, but the first story of it was saved and then a massive room addition put on. Previous to that, it looked almost identical to the homes next to it that you're looking at now. We're at the corner of Beverly and Sunset, about to turn north on Sunset. And you're looking at pretty typical examples of the kinds of homes that are being torn down. They're on lots that are over 8,000 square feet. The homes themselves are only about 1,300 square feet. And in their as-is condition, they tend to sell around $450,000 to $500,000. This is 401 Sunset and a brand new home going up. You can see it's on a much different scale than the existing homes. Across the street at 425 Sunset on a cul-de-sac is a new home that's been on the market for over a year now, priced in the $1,400,000, $1,500,000 range. These are 50s and 60s ranch homes. There's a new home that's been completed for about 6 months or more, been sitting on the market, priced at, I think, about $1,300,000, $1,400,000. Sitting next to a home in the $450,000 to $500,000 price range. Another brand new construction home, also been on the market for over 6 months, also priced in the $1,300,000 to $1,500,000 range. And we're now at the corner of Wilmette and Sunset. I've just turned around and turned back onto Beverly from Sunset, heading east on Beverly. At a point on Beverly where the tree canopy is pretty extensive. Home that was built 5 or 6 years ago. At this point, Beverly doglegs and heads north. And once again, you're seeing the type of home that's a perfect teardown candidate. And right next door to it, the kind of home that's replacing it. We're under construction, going up quickly. Brand new construction home next to it. And now you can see the tree canopy breaks. And one of the negative effects of the teardowns that have been going on in West Wilmette is that some pretty large trees were torn down as part of building these new homes. Got a 4 in a row new construction there. And again, right next to it, you can pretty well guess that these homes are doomed for the wrecking ball at some point. There's a larger home that's of more recent vintage, and that one's likely to survive, as is this one. Because of the addition, it's probably going to be too expensive to tear down, but that one's doomed. And once again, we're back at Wilmette Avenue.